Let's polish the exhaust pipes on my new Corvette C7. As you can see, these have a lot of carbon buildup, so let's go ahead and get that taken care of. First thing we're gonna do is glove up. We're gonna be using this stuff today. Comes in this cloth material. Let's see how well it works. All right, that wasn't working, so we gotta try plan B. All right, let's see what that did. All right, so here's the first tip polished. All right, next exhaust tip, let's go. All right, let's finish the last two with the soft scrub and the pad. All right, this is going really good so far. We got 3 polish, 1 more to go, and then we're gonna hit everything with the final fine polish. All right, I'm super happy with everything, how it turned out. It looks really good. Let me show you guys.